If you use Google Chrome browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see important setting you need for best performance on your Chrome browser. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about Google Chrome tips. So with that being said, let's find out. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, first things for a best performance, make sure you always update your Chrome browser. If you don't know how to update your Chrome browser, let me simply walk you through. Step 1, go to the 3 dots right here, and then simply come down below right here and make sure you go to app. Then under the app, make sure you go to about Google Chrome right here. Click on that, and it's take you right here. In a few seconds, it's going to update your Chrome browser to a latest version, just like what you see right here. Now, once you update your Chrome into a latest version, you have access to some of the new features that have been released by Chrome browser. And as a result of that, your performance experience is going to drastically improve because you are using the latest version. And now let's check out on the best performance settings so far for your Chrome browser. Next thing you need to do is to go to Performance tab right here. Then under the Performance tab, it takes you right here. Now, Performance Issue Alert. This button here needs to be turned on. Now, if you turn this particular button on, it simply means that if you have any performance issue, or maybe some of the tabs in your Chrome browser are consuming much of the performance, or a native tab on your Chrome browser, Google Chrome is going to give you an alert. What you need to do is to simply click on Fixed. So with that, Google Chrome is automatically fixing the problem and improve and boost your performance in browsing experience. So make sure you turn on this particular button right here for a best performance. Let's simply scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down, then head over to speed. Under the speed section right here, you have preload pages, Chrome preload pages, which make browser and searching faster. So what you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular toggle button right here. So once you turn this button on, scroll down and check on some of the options right here. And make sure you choose extended preloading. Now, when you choose extended preloading, this is what you get. Browsing and searching is faster than standard preload. So you can see what you are getting right here is nothing but faster and improving the performance of your Chrome browser. It's that simple. Next, we want to go to system right here. Under the system right here, if you are the type that play games so much on your Chrome browser, make sure you use graphics acceleration when available. Enable it and make sure you click on relaunch on your Chrome browser. Click on relaunch, then allow the Chrome to relaunch and it will automatically reopen the interface where you are, just like what you see on the screen right here. Once the relaunch is done, then you have all information back, just like this. So this is for performance and the system setting. Okay, now right here you have everything set in place. So the next setting we want to do is to check on Chrome flag. Chrome flag that allow you to download whatever you want to download in Chrome browser in a fast speed. So let's check them out. For you to do that, come to the top right here, create a new tab. Having created a new tab, next thing you need to do is to come to the address bar and type in Chrome //flags. Just like what you see right here, and hit enter. It's going to take you to experimental section right here. Here, what you need to do is to come to search flag, then simply type in download. So it's take you to parallel downloading. This is what you need. Next thing you need to do is to click on default right here and make sure you enable it. Once you enable, come down below right here and click on relaunch. Then allow it to relaunch your Chrome browser, just like what happened when you are trying to set up your system performance, and it's come back right here, just like what you see right here. Lastly, make sure you come to the experiment flag right here and type in quick. So make sure you type in quick protocol. This is what you need. And this quick protocol, what it does with your Google Chrome browser is that it improves the speed in browsing experience of your Chrome browser. It works with Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, and Android version. What you need to do is to click on default right here and make sure you hit on enable. Come down below right here, click on relaunch. Then allow it to relaunch and everything will be perfectly set up in your Chrome browser and you are back. It's that simple. So this is only the best setting you need for best performance experience on your Chrome browser. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to enjoy your Google Chrome browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.